Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mama Sir. I'm Nancy Salvador, 43 years old, single. Um, we have six in the family, three brothers and three sisters. I am the fourth one.
So what is your educational background?
I am graduated with a degree of Bachelor in Elementary Education.
Okay, so with license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, I have.
Where?
In Doha, Qatar, as
Oh.
a caregiver.
Okay, how long did you work in Doha, Qatar?
For almost 1 year.
What are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the elderly,
How old?
household chores like ironing, washing.
Okay, so how old is the elderly?
85 years old.
So how many are they in the family?
Three.
So why you didn't finish your contract?
Because of my mother got sick.
Okay, so you go home, right?
Yes.
So in Philippines, you have experience as a teacher, right?
Yes.
How long have experience in the
I've
Philippines?
been experienced teaching staff for 3 years.
3 years. Okay, so you also have a domestic helper work, right?
Yes.
So how long?
2 years.
2 years. So what are your duties and
Taking
responsibility?
care of the kids.
Okay.
A 3-year-old and a 4-year-old. There are only 4 in the family.
Okay, so the 3 years old boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl. Okay, so how about the 4 years old?
Also girl.
Girl also. Okay. So how many are they in the family?
4
Four. So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
children.
Children. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to share room with baby children
Yes,
and
I am.
elderly? Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do
I
you
am.
drink alcohol or smoke
No.
regularly? Do you eat pork?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo?
No.
Do you have vision problems?
No.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor
No.
police cases? So why do you want to work in Hong
To
Kong?
get a high salary and to help my family.
So do you have any song for the kids? Example?
Yes.
Can you show us?
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.